we are on our way to some hot springs. Woo! 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 I surfed for 5 hours yesterday, so I'm pretty keen to just chill. So here we go, Mornington Peninsula Hot Springs. We'll see what it's like. Alright, we are in the hot springs and there's a 40-degree pool there and there's a cold plunge here. And I've got the Speedos on. Better make that quick. You ready? Ready? After about 30 seconds, you get used to the cold, just with some slow sort of Wim Hof breathing. Then you get set for a plunge again into the 40-degree water. The whole idea behind the plunge pool, the cold plunge pool, and cycling from hot to cold is to just drastically increase blood flow, pump the lymphatic system. When the heart is pressured, to release all the blood, to try and cool down in the heat, and then suck it all back in to get in the cold plunge pool. It pumps the body, it forces it to move. The hot water saps your energy, cold water gives it back. It's pretty much just a little exploration of these concrete paths. We're going in the hammam. And then there's a hot pool there, and then you get out and you get cold again, and then you find another pool. It's really fun. One of the best things about being in like a natural spring is that you don't get the chlorine fatigue going on, because it's all just minerally rich water, spring water I guess. But you know, it does come from 670 metres below the ground, heated by the Earth's core. It's not that easy to access. It's pretty nice though. I think the reason these sort of experiences are so valuable is because it connects people again with nature, and that's something that I think we're missing in our lives, and that's why people come and pay to immerse themselves within the ecology and nature. It's not hard to see that. We just need to do it more often, and you can do it for free in the ocean, or you can do it by walking in a national park. You can do it in so many different ways. It just so happens that this way here is a little bit luxurious and amazing. Minus 14 degrees? Wow. That's not everything. That's cold, eh? Oh, I didn't like that. I much prefer the cold water